Oh, howdy everyone. We're at Dike Street, Wes's Rib House in Olneyville.
Dike Street? Wes's Rib House has been a Providence institution since 1973. After 10 years in their original location on Broad Street, they relocated to this building here. The original owner, Wes, brought Missouri-style barbecue to Rhode Island. After being closed for a little over a year, they celebrated their grand reopening in 2023. Here's a quick glimpse at the menu. Although they are currently without a liquor license, they are hoping to get it reinstated soon. But that hasn't stopped them from hosting weekly trivia and events. This establishment is multiple floors, and if you head upstairs, you can find a couple of old school games. On this upper level, we think that this would be a perfect place to host a private party. This area gives Nashville honky-tonk vibes. Check out this little stage they have. It looks like they might offer some live music. This location is just a couple of steps away from Fetty Music Hall, right down the street. It's a great after-hour spot. Michael's ready to manja. And now what you've all been waiting for, we ordered the fried haddock sandwich that came with original waffle fries. Next up is the macaroni and cheese and a slice of their cornbread. Here's their mashed potatoes that came with gravy. We shared the Pick 2 Combo Double Brisket, Jenical's Journey Curveball, and we decided to try both of their barbecue sauces. The winner was definitely this homemade spicy barbecue. Wes's has been awarded the best of the best barbecue almost annually for over a decade.
The star of the meal is definitely the brisket. The brisket's fantastic. The spicy sauce, their house spicy sauce, is phenomenal, guys. Mac and cheese is very creamy and delicious. Has a rich crust to it.
From the pickle eater on the table, I approve. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe for future content and follow us on Jenical's Journey on Instagram for more. Cheers!